Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is go. Here is a picture of someone going somewhere. Here is go in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Go means move from one place or point to another. To travel. Go. Past progressive was going. Past went. Present progressive going. Present go. Future will go. Let's build a sentence. We are going. Today, we will use the present progressive tense. Let's build a sentence. We are going. Where? Where are we going? We are going to the restaurant. Let's build a sentence. We are going to the restaurant. Which restaurant? We are going to the Indian restaurant. I like Indian food. Let's build a sentence. We are going to the Indian restaurant. When? When are we going? We are going to the Indian restaurant in about 20 minutes. Let's build a sentence. We are going to the Indian restaurant in about 20 minutes. Why? Why are we going? To meet Maya. Oh, okay. We're going to meet a friend. Let's build a sentence. We are going to the Indian restaurant in about 20 minutes to meet Maya. Why? Why are we meeting Maya? For her birthday. Oh, it's a birthday party. See how we build a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.